Two of testimony in the federal trial against Kosta Diamantis. Diamantis, a former deputy budget director for Governor Lamont, faces multiple charges of bribery and extortion. Things got a bit heated as his attorney started his cross-examination. Your chief political reporter, Susan Raff, is live at federal court in Bridgeport with the very latest. Susan.
We heard a lot more testimony today about Kosta Diamantis, the man who everyone says got things done. He got those school contracts that those contractors desperately wanted. But yes, there were fireworks in the afternoon when Diamantis' attorney started attacking the credibility of an important witness. John Duffy returned to the witness stand. He's the former VP of Agronom, a Middlefield masonry company. Jurors were told Kosta Diamantis had enormous power over school construction projects, and Diamantis always demanded money, $70,000 for one project, $30,000 for another. Duffy said Diamantis was constantly telling him to pay up. In this text, Diamantis says, "Call me what you wish, but I'm no beggar, and I did my part." And then came a few fireworks when Duffy was cross-examined by Diamantis' attorney, Norm Pattis. When Duffy first met with the FBI, Pattis said to Duffy, "You said you didn't give Diamantis any money. Truth seems to be a moving target. You lie sometimes. Why do you lie?" Duffy replied, "Sometimes I'm afraid. Sometimes I want to protect myself." Pattis, "You're not above stretching the truth in this courtroom." When asked about today's testimony, Diamantis got a little testy.
When the time comes, I will provide you with a statement. You will probably hear my testimony when the time comes. Until then, I'm going to lunch and get ready for the afternoon.
Are you feeling a little better now that Norm is cross-examining?
What part of you will get a response from me when the time is appropriate for the court, myself, and the people? Not now. Not because you're asking for it.
The second witness was Antonetta Roy, the owner of CAP, Construction Advocacy Professionals. She said Diamantis held the pocketbook for all state projects. She told jurors, "We paid him money. I hired his daughter, Anastasia Diamantis. I hired her because it was Mr. Diamantis' daughter. He was powerful. He said to take care of her." Roy told jurors today that he felt, or she felt, that she had to keep Diamantis' daughter employed, even though she said she was not a good employee. She was paying her a lot, and she was even paying her bonuses. But again, she told jurors that she did so because she was afraid that there would be some repercussions, some backlash. And he did, she said, get him a job, or her a job, at Bulkley High School. What's going on tomorrow? Well, we will have cross-examination on Antonetta Roy. Your chief political reporter, Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News in Bridgeport.
Susan, thank you.